The Wise Old Tree. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by a dense forest, there was a wise old tree. The villagers called it the talking tree. People believed the tree could speak, but only to those who were willing to listen and learn. One day, a young boy named Rahul, curious and eager to explore, wandered into the forest. Rahul wasn't very patient and often gave up on tasks quickly. That day, he was feeling upset because he had failed to solve a math problem at school. As Rahul sat under the old tree, he sighed loudly. "Why is everything so hard? I wish I didn't have to try so much." To his surprise, the tree spoke in a gentle but firm voice. "Rahul, why do you give up so easily?" Rahul jumped in shock and looked around. Realizing it was the tree speaking, he asked, "You can talk? What do you mean by giving up easily?" The tree chuckled, its branches swaying in the wind. "Look at me, young one. Do you think I became this tall and strong overnight?" Rahul shook his head. "No, I guess not. But you're a tree. It's different for you." The tree replied, "It is not different. When I was a tiny seed, I was buried under the soil, surrounded by darkness. I could have stayed there, but I didn't. I pushed myself to grow. Each day I faced challenges. Storms tried to uproot me, animals tried to harm me, but I didn't stop. With every challenge, I grew stronger." Rahul listened carefully as the tree continued. "Life will always test you, but remember, success comes to those who keep trying. If I had given up, I wouldn't be here to provide shade to travelers like you." The boy nodded, understanding the lesson. "So, you're saying I should keep trying, even if it's hard?" "Yes," said the tree. "Hard work and patience are the roots of success. Just like my roots go deep into the ground to hold me steady, your determination will hold you strong through life's challenges." Rahul felt inspired. He thanked the tree and ran back to the village, eager to try again. He worked hard on his math problems, and soon enough, he found the solution. From that day on, whenever Rahul faced difficulties, he remembered the wise old tree's words, "Keep trying and you will grow strong." Moral of the story: patience and perseverance lead to success. Challenges are opportunities to grow stronger.
Don't forget to subscribe to EnglishSpark on YouTube. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.